and we are stopping prosecution against a sitting president, in essence we are saying, for all he wants, the president can be corrupt for as long as he's in office. Don't touch him or her. But when they come out of office, then you can touch them. And the president is allowed two consecutive 5-year terms to make it 10 years if you are going to be successful. So if the president was a thief, okay, as we have seen in some cases, you are giving them a blank check to be stealing for 10 years, within which period they can't be asked any question. It's a very strange provision, and that's why some of us think that it must be scrapped. People must be investigated regardless what